did you just see Mom? No. You play peekaboo? Where's Ellie? Where did he go? I can't find him. Where did Ellie go? Where'd he go? Zana. There's Ellie. Yay! I found him. We play more peekaboo? Ellie, can you hide? Can you hide? Oh, you're finishing your lunch? Can you hide? Where's Ellie? Where'd he go? I can't. Oh, there he is! Yeah? Can you hide? Where's Ellie at? I can't find him anywhere. Where'd he go? There he is! Yay, Ellie! Okay, can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye.